Hey everyone, my name is Tammy Marr, and I put together this little presentation so you could get to know me. What word best describes you? I would say one word that describes me pretty well is multitasker. I have a lot of responsibilities as a mom, a teacher, a student, a wife, a volunteer, and I find myself juggling those responsibilities daily. What is the best thing that happened to you this week? The best thing that happened to me this week would be getting to visit with my daughter. She came home from school. It had been 3 weeks since I have seen her, and we had a great weekend. I am in this class to help the struggling readers in my classroom and in my school. Who is the most inspirational person you know? My mom is one of the most inspirational people I know. She is 76 years old. She is a retired teacher, but she stays very active by substituting almost every day at the high school in her town. The best advice that I have ever been given is to pay cash. If I had magical powers for one day, I would love to be able to change the hearts of people to show more love and less hate. One place I would love to visit is Iceland. My husband's family went on a vacation there last year, and the pictures that they took, which you see here, were just beautiful. Just a little bit about my family. My husband and I have been married for 22 years. We have 2 kids. We have a son who is 17. He is a senior in high school, and then my daughter is a sophomore in college. We also have a little Yorkie named Gatsby. Which animal are you most like? Well, my mom would say that I'm most like an ostrich because she says I keep my head in the sand. The reason she says that is I don't like to watch the news. It depresses me, and so I would just sometimes rather not even know what's going on. 3 facts about me. I'm left-handed, I play tennis, and I enjoy photography. So my pet peeve is when a business has a sign where the grammar is incorrect or the spelling is incorrect. You can see just a couple of examples there. I am most passionate about my kids, my own kids and my kids at school. I love them and I want to teach them so they can learn and grow and become responsible, loving citizens. If you were on a billboard for something, what would you want it to be? Well, there is no way I would want to be on a billboard for anything. I am not one that likes the spotlight. I like to be in the background. I would not want my face plastered on any billboard. Which song describes you? I was trying to find a song that describes me, and the one that I came up with is Kokomo by the Beach Boys. I think more accurately it describes kind of my state of mind. I love the beach. Any beach, just take me there. My dream job would be a photojournalist. I love photography and I love to travel. So those two things together, I would be in heaven. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'm excited to get to know the rest of you. Bye.